Hello guys, this is 2011 or maybe 2012 Sportage, Kia Sportage. I'm gonna show you today how you're gonna open and clean the throttle body. First you have to remove those 4 clips here. These are the clips, and then you gotta remove a small bolt, but maybe I guess it's 10 mm, might be here. Yeah, here it is. After that, you're gonna see 4 bolts here, which is 10 mm. You gotta remove that, then you gotta remove clips over here, the main clips of the little body. Okay. Guys, this is throttle body, and you can see what's it's been through, and it needs to be cleaned by carburetor spray or any lubricant which is fine for throttle. Guys, please, before anything you can do, remove the battery. Okay, let's clean this thing. The spray I'm using is AC Delco. You can leave it for a few seconds like that, so it can remove all the dust or whatever it is. Once you have clean throttle body, after you have done that, just slightly clean this area up with any cotton or anything with the same spray. Don't put the spray inside, just clean this area. So we are done now. I'm trying to so here are the 4 bolts. I'm gonna tighten it up now. Guys, remember, whenever you're tightening it, just don't do it too much. It's plastic, so you might break it. Okay. It's really hard to do it with one hand. This is just to show you only. I'm gonna do it much more than this. Okay, I'm done with those. Now I have to put back the wire again. Okay, so I put this back up again. Oops. Again, these clips here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, it's done now. I have to tie this bolt up over here, and we're all good. And yes, of course, you're gonna need the socket, 10 mm. Okay, so I'm gonna tighten this up. Oops. Guys, we have done now. We have clean throttle body for idle problem, acceleration problem, and engine hesitation. You can see now there is no check engine light. It's good now, and you can see the engine is great. Start moving at all. It's not have hesitation in it. I hope you liked the video. I'm sorry because of my movements and the voice and the surroundings, it's not good, and I'm shooting from my iPhone and it's my first time. Hope you liked the video. Hope it helped you. Give that thumbs up please and subscribe.